Do a quick walk around video on this Silverado half-ton truck that has just come in. Very, very, very clean. Basically restored back to stock. Classic square body truck. This truck came in from one of our regular buyers, close friends. And as you can see, it is straight as an arrow. And this is not a fixed up old raggedy truck. This truck was a heck of a survivor. New shocks, new brakes, new tires, new springs, new exhaust. Sounds really good. Not obnoxious, but a nice rumble. It's super cold out here this morning, below freezing, so plenty of steam, but no smoke. Bed cover, very clean bed. Windows, power door lock, Silverado cab, all that works properly. It appears that the gauges all work properly. Both fuel tanks appear to work properly. This is an air-conditioned cab. The gauges do switch over when you hit the button. Aftermarket type radio, but a factory Chevrolet, but not date correct. Headliner's clean. All the trim around the headliner. Factory board behind the seat. All the stuff that normally gets stripped out, even on that side, has the codes in the door. It was built as a Sequoia edition. Haven't really ever heard that before, but I think it had an all-terrain tire and a couple other things that were different. Riding on 33-inch tires now. Lights in the rear bumper. Very, very, very nice square body Chevrolet here. Clean truck all the way around. I'll do a more detailed video once we get it through. We're going to shoot it down for oil change and inspection and quick cleaning, even though it's pretty dang clean. So this thing will be up on the website shortly. Thanks for watching.